Hello and welcome to Logic's Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 2 divided by 1 divided by 9 times 3 to the power square. So how can we find the value of this expression? Guys, we know that in PEMDAS that exponent have higher priority than multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. So firstly we can solve exponent. So 2 divided by 1 divided by 9 multiply by 9. Okay guys, now here according to KCF rule, where K stand for keep, C stand for change and F stand for flip, we can write it as 2 multiply by 9 multiply by 9. Here guys, 2 times 9 equal to 18 times 9. 18 times 9 equal to 162. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question and kindly subscribe to my channel.